Well, sir. Now here looks like Cape Coast Market, Mankasim. Here looks like Otakrapa Market. Man, Africa, our market looks the same. The settings, everything looks the same. Like Cape Coast.
Professional. Now for 50.
What drink is that one? So here is the street of hair, human hair, artificial hair, Brazil hair, Peruvian hair. Which hair again? Which ball straight? Away again. Away again. Attachment. Fix. Afro. Rasta. Curls.
So vamos esperar onde é que é tudo.
Okay.
In the orange juice, yeah, you make it to orange and red to bring.
Okay. How much is it?
How much is it? 20.
Okay, hold on. And the fruit, how much is the fruit? How much is the fruit? Okay. Yeah, give me 20. So this is orange juice.
Yeah.
With the ice inside like that. Okay. So this buffalo, give me 20 drink. So buffalo in Sierra Leone, Liberia. Is that? Ghana, see Ghana man. You Ghana man, Ghana lady too? Ah, you from Ghana? Anyway. Wow. So you prepare go food. Yeah, okay. What try? No, you full. So go food with orange juice. Amazing. Okay, so this is egg, boiled egg. Yeah, but you have to crack it. So the seller will not peel the skin for you. Have to do it. Okay. Okay, where's the pepper? This one. So this is the pepper. Okay. So you peel your own thing. You take the pepper. This is the pepper. Then I dip it like this, right? You dip it like this. So send it back home. So this is Sindaco in Liberia, right? Careful. You go inside. No, that place is very rough. I go inside. So over here they sell sandals. How much is the rush? Magic mode. How much? Two. This one, how much is this one? 500. 100. Okay. So, 2. How much? 2. That's it. Okay. Because I've seen a lot of women pushing the thing. They are doing well, eh? It's serious. The woman pushing the thing. Some of the single madam. Wow. Like since I came here, I've seen them when I went to the Douala market. Like seeing them old ladies pushing it. I said, wow, man, this is serious. Like to see them push the whole day. It's not easy under the sun. It's not easy. Is that making for a living? Yeah. So right now she's coming the hill. Wake up over here too, as you can see. Wow. So they are pushing to climb the hill. Man, it's not easy. It's really not easy. Huh? Hey, how are you? Okay. You good? Okay. So, busy market, and everybody's selling. Everybody's selling. Everyone is selling. Man, I'm seeing this Miss Quay joint. Miss Quay is definitely a Ghanaian. Miss Quay. So still downtown, man. African beats. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yesterday. Cassava leaves. Okay. I want to try the egg and pepper. Yeah. Egg and pepper. So market settings across Africa. Where's the upstairs? Okay.